Okay guys, I've got my worm composter 360 here, my container garden of tomatoes. They're doing really well. I'm starting to get some pretty big tomatoes here. Gonna harvest those and can those pretty soon. But let's open up the worm composter 360 and get it set up. Alright, that's what it looks like opening it up. Alright, I'm going to take it out of the box and show you what we got. Okay, so first off I got a brochure and then my voucher to get some worms. Alright. Looks like we got the top here. Alright, so inside here they included some newspaper, hummus, rake. Not really sure what that is yet, but I'll figure it out. And a scraping tool. So let me take this all out. One more little bag here stuck in the corner, and it is rock dust. Alright, so I got it unpacked and now I need to assemble. Okay guys, so I opened up the instruction book and it talks about what comes. We have the collection base, the shredded paper, 4 stacking trays, a quick lid tip, worm ladder, materials, pumice, scraper, cultivator, and cocoa coir. Forgive me if I mispronounce that wrong. I am a noob. Okay, so the quick assembly here, we've got set up the collection, install the worm, add stacking, add the lid. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just set it up all together because I haven't ordered my worms. You wouldn't be a kid if you didn't have more fun with the box. It's July and I am worried about shipping the worms, but they say it is expedited shipping. I'm afraid that just the heat, if the worms have to sit in a car all day, that it's going to, or a delivery truck all day, it's gonna kill my worms. But we'll see. I'm gonna give it a go. I can't wait around any longer. I want to get this process up and started. So we're gonna see if it works out. I'm hopeful that it does. I've got my helpers out here in the Worm 360 box. Alright, so I've got it out of the box and I need to order my worms. Alright guys, I ordered the worms, although it's the middle of the summer and I'm really worried that they're gonna be too hot. I did it and it's a worm! We're gonna get some worms. Are you excited? Alright, so let's see if they come. It's a Thursday, so let's see if they come tomorrow on a Friday. Or I've seen a couple places where it says it may not be delivered or shipped until Monday to ensure, you know, that it gets here as quickly as possible. I'll let you know. I'll keep you posted.